In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coaching service using Teachable. Let's dive into the steps that will help you set up your service efficiently and effectively. Begin by navigating to the coaching tab. This is where the magic happens. Once you're there, what you'll want to do is click on the new coaching button. This initial action is your gateway to building a robust coaching service. Now it's time to give your service a descriptive name. Think about what makes your service unique and convey this clearly in the name. A well-chosen name not only attracts the right audience, but also helps potential clients immediately understand the value of what you're offering. Next, we move into setting up a client intake flow. Teachable offers several options here, allowing you to customize your service to fit your specific needs and style. You can choose to have no intake form at all, which keeps things straightforward. Clients can sign up directly without any preliminary steps. This approach might be ideal if you're looking to make the sign-up process as seamless and barrier-free as possible. Alternatively, you could opt to include an intake form. Here, clients fill out some initial information before proceeding to checkout. This option allows you to gather essential details up front, ensuring that you have everything you need to serve your clients effectively. For scenarios where you need to be a bit more selective, there's also the intake form with approval. With this setting, clients fill out the form and you review and approve it before they move on to checkout. It's a great way to ensure alignment and fit between you and your clients right from the beginning. Another important aspect is how you price your service. Teachable allows you to offer different pricing packages, and you can even include a free option if it aligns with your business strategy. This flexibility can help you appeal to a broader range of clients. Enter the amount for your service and don't forget to craft a compelling name and description for your pricing plan. This clarity ensures potential clients understand what they're investing in and why it matters. Decide on the start date for your sessions. You could set this to begin on the enrollment date, offering immediate access upon sign up, or choose a fixed date, which could be beneficial if you run your sessions in cohorts. Then it's time to customize your first milestone. Adding a title and a descriptive text here helps create an organized and structured learning path for your clients. With these steps complete, go ahead and click on Finish. Before you make your coaching service available to the world, take a moment to review all the information you've entered. This ensures everything is accurate and presents your service in the best possible light. Once you're satisfied with everything, click on Publish. This final step launches your coaching service on Teachable and makes it accessible to potential clients who are eager to benefit from your expertise. And there you have it. Your coaching service is now live and ready to make an impact.